friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix wandering sword gamepad or controller not working issue. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. Well, after that, go to the search option. Now after that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select the controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If the issue still continues, come back again. Now this time you have to select disable Steam input and then check if the issue is fixed. But if the issue still continues, come back again, select the default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. After that, from here you have to remove the controller first. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. Once you have done this, now restart your PC. After that, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here, and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows update, click on check for updates. It will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is an update available for the game. Now after updating the game, try to launch the game again and then check if it's working. So go to Steam. Here you will be able to see an update option. If yes, update your game to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to method is to use a big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, under library section you have to select your game and here you can see big picture mode. You simply have to click on it. Now after you enter the big picture mode, here you have to select your game and then you are suggested to try to play it. After that, click on Steam option. After that, click on power and then select exit big picture. Once you have done this, now launch the game and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.